This is the 1978 Type 2 Bus Transporter Campmobile Westfalia Champagne Edition. And this is its condition as I bought it for $200. As you can see, there's some rust. Got a bunch of junk, some rust. Got a nice bit of rust here. Bondo or body filler. There's this strange film on it. Supposedly the guy said it was in a flood next to in a warehouse next to a barrel of some type of oil. He thinks it might have been canola or something like that. So as the water receded, the canola or whatever oil coated everything. Here's the inside, and stuff falls every time that opens. There's some wood paneling. The interior is not horribly bad. This just needs a bunch of junk on this. All this wood stuff is pretty good. Needs to be just cleaned on the inside. This is the Z-bed. There's the mosquito net. Here's where the engine and transmission will eventually go. They're not there now. I plan on putting a Subaru engine of some sort, along with a nice bus transmission. There's the blower motor for the air-cooled engine. It does have the dual battery kit. This looks to be pretty good. Luckily, this oil, whatever it is, has coated everything in a protective coating. It does have sliding. Hang on. Sliding door. The inside. Apparently, the people that had it before us were into some type of ceramics and whatnot. The inside looks pretty good. The bunk bed up top looks in a really, really good condition, like it was never used. This is the extra hatch. There's the refrigerator, which I hope to convert to some type of Peltier unit if this one doesn't work. There's the closet, the curtains, and here's the sink and fridge, and good, there's a knob. That's good. Spare tire. There's some storage in there. Freshwater tank is there. Looks like there's some in it. Oops. Seats. They're kind of sticky. There's some rust. A lot of rust in the floorboard. I plan on replacing all of this with some replacement steel. This is the panel. The steering wheel is off because I was trying to get the lock unstuck. It was working before, but I think some of the gunk decided to stick. Now it doesn't work anymore. Oh, here's the knob to the. There's the knob to the thing. Yay! Has a rotating seat. All this interior is going to get redone. Probably going to put down the wood flooring, laminate flooring, pergo, whatever. Kelly's in charge of that. That'll be really cool. And see where it goes from there. As you can see, really dirty. Plan on cleaning it all up, sandblasting all this stuff. Paint it, paint over rust, undercoating, soundproofing, lots of Dynamat or sticky brown bread, as they call it, is for the different product. Not actually baked goods, but it's brown and sticky, and it's fluffy like bread. So